Hi, I'm Charlie with Precision Matthews, and today we're going to look at the stand for our PM-728VT benchtop milling machine. This is an optional accessory for the 728, and most people who order the machine end up ordering the stand to go with it. Some customers do skip the stand if they're planning to build something that fits a custom roll, but for most people, adding this stand to your machine order is the easiest, most cost-effective choice. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to put it together. We have Gabe here to show you the easiest way to assemble this stand. We'll start with the cabinet oriented on its back. You'll only need a few tools to assemble this stand. A combination wrench in 10mm, 12mm, and 19mm, a 4mm hex key, and an adjustable wrench will get you through the entire job. Fasten the top and bottom by inserting the carriage bolt from the back and securing with a washer and M12 nut. Also note that the flat sides of the top and bottom should be facing outward. Now flip the side that you just assembled onto the front of the stand and fasten with carriage bolts, washers, and nuts. Tip the stand upright and fully tighten all hardware with your 12mm combination wrench. You'll now add the vented side cover and fasten with 6 screws driven by your 4mm hex key. Install the center shelf using 4 10mm hex head screws and tighten securely. You'll have a washer above and below the shelf. Insert the screw from the top and thread the nut on from the bottom. Next is the door installation. That's just a matter of inserting the pin at the bottom, compressing the hinge at the top, and sliding the door into place. Release and the door hinge will spring out, securing the door. I don't know how they kept doors closed before the invention of the door handle, but thankfully we don't live in those dark times. So install the door handle using the provided cup washer and screw. Ensure that the cupped part of the washer faces the door when installing the hasp. The hasp on the back of the door comes from the factory bent into place, but you may have to adjust the bend angle yourself for a secure, vibration-free fit. Screw on the leveling feet. If you want to replace them with a leveling caster or some other type of hardware, just note that the thread pitch of the feet is a little unusual. It is a 12 TPI by ½ inch British Standard Whitworth. Why do Taiwanese machines use a standard dating back to British engineers working by candlelight? Well, this is a video about assembling a milling machine stand, and not a video about the history of British imperialism and its effect on Asian manufacturing standards. So we'll just say that the sun never sets on the British Empire, and you still can't find just a regular M12 leveling foot anywhere in Taiwan. Tip the stand up, adjusting the leveling feet until the stand is, well, level. Then lock the feet into position with the nuts and a 19mm wrench. Only so many ways to say level. Comment below if you can think of a synonym for level. Note that you will still have some hardware left over, and you didn't make a mistake somewhere in assembly. The hardware that attaches the machine to the stand is shipped with the stand. Getting the machine mounted and secured is a whole other video, so watch for that coming up on this channel. You've got to put your mill somewhere, and you'll ruin Thanksgiving if you put it on the dining room table. So unless you've got a plan to fabricate a custom solution, add this stand to your order and save yourself from getting metal chips in your mashed potatoes. As always, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see what's next from us at Precision Matthews. And thanks for watching.